this is Toni J, and in this video I'm doing an unboxing of a Printful product. So years ago I did a video unboxing Printful's t-shirts that I ordered, and they have upgraded their way of packing things. So when you order a sample of clothing, or just what I got today, they came in these bags and the address is on the other side. So today I got a sports bra and yoga pants. So when I got them, they came in their individual plastic bags. So that's what I love that they did. That's new. I did recently order some t-shirts, and they also came in their own individual packed bags. So when you have a shop and your customer orders anything, this is exactly how it will look. So they'll get this bag and then their garments in their own separate thing, and they're not all just together. And also in the bag came a little slip with the name of the products that they ordered. So I had got that too, but it must have fell out when I opened these. So yeah, this is just how it looks. So on the front of the packaging, it'll have like a little sticker that says what it is. So this is a sports bra, and it talks about the stitch and the color. And on here I have the yoga leggings with the color and the stitch color and pretty much the specifics of the product. I'm not sure if this will be on the package when customers get it, but I know for sure that this is what you'll get when you order a sample. It will also show the date that you ordered, and these came pretty fast. These came I think within 5 days, I believe, but you do get a tracking number once they ship it, and you can see the process of them printing on Printful from your dashboard. It's in these nice bags, and it has like the sticky part, and it's easy to open. You just open it like this, and the garments come right out. Yeah, I just want to show you exactly how your customers get their products, or how you would get your products when you order a sample.